How to fix installed apps not showing on home screen Android. So if you want to fix your installed apps not showing on your home screen on Android, then first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go with apps section. Under apps, you can go with system app settings or just simply tap on manage apps. Go with top right, which has that three dots, and then tap on other settings. Under other settings, you will have reset app preferences. Tap on it and then tap on reset app. After resetting your apps, your problem will be fixed. After that, you need to make sure that you've not hidden your system services, and here under your search you need to search for the application that is installed and not showing. Like for example, if it's Viber, then if you search for it, it will show the application now. The other thing you need to make sure is you've not hidden the application. So you just need to simply open up your settings, and under settings you need to search for hidden apps, and here make sure that it's not turned on, or make sure that it's not hidden. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.